Hi everyone and welcome along. So today on the Friday Quick Fix I've got something really cool to talk to you about because can you believe it's nearly 5 years since we started the YouTube channel. I can't believe it, and we've had so much fun. It's been so rewarding, and it's all down to you, our wonderful YouTube audience, and in particular to those of you who have joined us on Patreon, because that little monthly subscription has made this totally possible for me and Ant to turn this into our full-time jobs. So we want to thank you so much. For those of you who don't know what Patreon is, it's a monthly subscription service where we can set different tiers and give you different levels of rewards. So that can be live stream classes, extra more in-depth tutorials that we can't fit on YouTube, just a lot more, basically just more. But I know that some of you have asked me about ways in which you can support the channel without having to join a whole other platform, because I hear you, like, Patreon's another thing to join and we've all got a million accounts and passwords. It's hard to keep up. So that's why I'm really excited to tell you about YouTube membership. So what is YouTube membership? Well, the first thing to say is it changes absolutely nothing if you're not interested. You can continue to enjoy our YouTube tutorials, and if you're a patron, you can just continue to enjoy our wonderful Patreon community that we've got going. This is just if you would love to show some support to the channel, have a little bit of fun, and not have to sign up to any new different platforms. Okay, so the way we've done it, we have matched the YouTube membership to the Daisy tier of our Patreon, which means we've got a parity between the perks you get on the Patreon tier of the Daisy tier and the YouTube membership. The first perk, and this is all for £2.99 a month. So the first perk is you're going to get the long form supercuts of our wildly popular social media tutorials. You'll have seen the mini flowers that I've painted, and they're all quite quick and cut up quite quickly. Well, we will be giving you a fuller, longer version with a voiceover, and that will all be in members only YouTube shorts. And the other very cool thing, which my patrons currently do, is they get to suggest each month some YouTube tutorial ideas, and what we're going to do, the most popular ones suggested by the patrons, YouTube members are going to be able to vote on one of those and have their say as well. And then finally, you're going to get a lovely weekly carousel of images on the community page on YouTube, where you're going to see what I've been painting this week and just go behind the scenes a little bit with my life in the studio. And then the most exciting one, I'm excited about it anyway, and this one is just for YouTube members. You are going to get your own little membership badge that's going to pop up next to your name whenever you comment on my channel, and that badge will show that you're a member of what I have named the Alizarin Crimson Crew, because it just felt like the perfect one. If you know, you know, and yes, I can't pronounce that colour, so it's become a thing. And so that little badge will change colour and glow and become all the more exciting the longer you're a member, so you can just show your allegiance to the channel, which is just really lovely. It's all about showing support, isn't it? And being part of something. I think that's what's so amazing about online communities, is getting to be part of a lovely group. Your comments will be prioritised at the top of the feed, so I'll be able to see them more clearly and therefore able to reply to them much faster. And then the other thing is you are going to get your very own set of exclusive emojis, especially for the Winton Paper Co channel, that I have hand painted. Yes, hand painted emojis. That's probably not something you were expecting. I've painted a whole ton and I'm really excited to get to use them. And YouTube basically allows me to start with 4, and then the more members I get, the more of these emojis can be released. So I really hope you might consider joining my membership on the YouTube channel by showing your support, and it just means the world. But also, of course, you can just carry on as normal and we love you just as much. The YouTube channel is such a special place for me, and it's wonderful to see all your comments and see how you're getting on with our paintings. But if you'd love to join us, just find the membership tab and then you can just sign up very easily. We've just got one tier, we keep it really simple, and you can see all the different badges and just a few of the emojis, but we've got so many more. I've got so many ideas. But for now, I'll let you go and say thank you so much for watching. And here's to another 5, 10, however many years we've got. Let's go. Okay, see you soon. Bye.